And in Peru, human rights organizations and independent lawyers will denounce the government of Dina Boluarte and his police chiefs for the violation of human rights during the intervention in the Universidad Nacional Mayor de San Marcos.
After more than 24 hours, the university students and peasants detained at the Universidad Nacional Mayor de San Marcos were released, bringing with them testimonies of mistreatment and humiliation.
Most of us have been beaten. The university students got the worst of it. A young lady was grabbed here and her blouse was ripped, and I think there are witnesses saying that other university students have been touched.
A total of 194 people were detained by hundreds of national police, some of them peasants from the southern regions of Peru and other students living in the university's residence. All claim to have been victims of abuse during the intervention.
What I have is a bruise from the fact that at the time I was handcuffed, not only did they tell me to get down on my knees, not only did they talk to you in an aggressive and abusive way, but they also pulled you, and if you spoke more, they would hit you with a stick.
The mistreatment was not only physical, but also psychological.
They say get down on the ground, and we were running, and the tear gas bombs, the helicopter. I said at what moments they were shooting, they called us terroristas, terrorists on the ground, and so on, and they were shouting insults at us.
According to some specialists, this is a clear violation of human rights, since there was never any presence of prosecutors or representatives of the Ombudsman's office.
This situation is used for different purposes. Firstly, to intimidate people. Secondly, to treat them as second-class people. And thirdly, at the head of these 195 people, to tell them that anyone who comes to Lima is going to be treated in this way. It is a humiliating treatment, a discriminatory treatment that only dictatorships have implemented in this country.
They also consider that this is a terrible precedent of violation of university autonomy.
If the only solution is to repress the population, it is a dictatorship. It is a dictatorship. At what point did the Attorney General come out to defend the rights of all those who have been mistreated up until now? Consequently, it cannot be said that this is a democratic government because there is no democracy here. They are silencing our mouths.
Human rights organizations and independent lawyers have been gathering information and evidence to criminally denounce those responsible in the government and the national police before national and international justice agencies.
Jaime Herrera, teleSUR, Lima, Perú.